Another volatile day on Wall Street as stocks rose and fell in response to President Trump's latest tariffs.
President now doubling down on them today and taking a hard line with China. WGN's Mike Lowe has more on that.
Good evening. Economists say uncertainty is driving a lot of the volatility, while traders are looking for any sign that Donald Trump's tariffs could either be delayed or negotiated. After another day of wild swings on Wall Street, President Donald Trump issued an ultimatum to China. He told China's leaders to rescind retaliatory tariffs on the U.S. or else face additional tariffs of 50% starting on Wednesday.
If that tariff isn't removed by tomorrow at 12 o'clock, we're putting a 50% tariff on above the tariffs that we put on.
The president is digging in his heels, defending the trade war he started, even as investors grow jittery about the future. Businesses worry about the global supply chain, and economists fret over a recession.
We have been just destroyed, what they've done to our system. You know, we have $36 trillion of debt for a reason. And the reason is that people allowed it to get that way.
Meantime, for a third consecutive day, the markets were volatile.
For anybody who's an investor, today's market was nothing short of a roller coaster ride.
At the end of the trading session, the S&P 500 ended down just 0.2%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed about 1% down, and the Nasdaq was slightly positive.
I think everybody knows by now that tariffs lower growth globally, and they also boost inflation globally. And obviously, for our viewers, everyone who's a U.S. citizen lives in the United States, our focus is going to be on our largest trading partners.
President Trump and other White House officials have said that the tariff plan will benefit the country in the long run. Meantime, some heavy hitters on Wall Street today are weighing in, with J.P. Morgan Chase's chief executive Jamie Dimon saying that the tariff plan will, quote, lead to a higher probability of a recession. Back to you.